you have. Most of them will be able to be uploaded, or you could always do a screenshot of it. So if it was a long document and you didn't want to put it all in there, you could take a picture of the portion that you want to put in there and to talk about. So again, under each of these letters is basically the standard of what it is, and you can look through. This is just a product that you've created. If you've worked with spreadsheets, that would go under there. So that's where I'm going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to click on my first artifact. And instead of entering a URL, which you could if you had a blog posting or something like that, you could just paste the URL in there and that would be fine. In this case though, I have a file that I need to put in there. So what I'm going to do is go to the arrow and open the Advanced tab menu. And up here it just says Upload File. Now there's also some other choices here, text layout. This would be how you want this to actually look. So more often than not, you probably want the document and then a spot to reflect on it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this layout here so that I have a place that I can reflect a little bit on it. So that's under text layout. You can choose what layout you want. Then I'm going to go ahead and upload the file, and I'm going to choose it. Now, if yours is on your flash drive, you'll need to go ahead and insert that and find your flash drive here. I drug all the ones that I wanted to the desktop today, so I'm going to click on desktop. And I have some different ones here that I want to upload. And I'm going to go ahead and just upload the spreadsheet. And I'm going to put choose. Now for documents like a spreadsheet, it's just going to kind of put it in there. It's not necessarily going to open it up in there. And again, it's going to probably take a while to actually upload. I guess you have to hit upload. And so there's my document right now. So if I was at home and I clicked on that, it would download that document to my computer. So now it's on that site in this portfolio. And now over here, I would want to reflect a little bit on this artifact. So maybe I would talk about this as a spreadsheet that we analyzed data and manipulated it and created graphs in my class. And then I would enter that information here. You can add the title. So maybe I would say vehicle spreadsheets. And then I can also go up here and rename it. I don't necessarily want artifact 1. So I would want to rename this maybe vehicle spreadsheet as well. So I knew exactly what it was. So whatever your project was that you created, just rename that tab that. And then that's all you have to do. Reflect on it, put the artifact there, and name it so it's set. Now if that falls under another category, we could go ahead and put it under another one as well. So the next one I'm going to do is a research one. So I'm going to find that I've conducted research and shared it with others. So in this one I'm going to click on artifact again. I'm going to upload, this time I'm going to upload a screenshot, and you'll notice that it does it a little differently. So I'm going to choose a file. Again, mine's on my desktop. You might have to take yours off of your flash drive or off the server, and that'll be a little bit different. But in that this is a picture, this time when I upload it, it actually puts it in there so you can actually see it. Now if I don't like that layout, I can go and change it so that I have a place to reflect. And so then maybe I would say this would be internet research or whatever it is that it actually is about. And then over here I would talk about maybe that I conducted research and we shared this within some other project with the class, and so that's how it met that standard. So in this one I would also change it to be whatever it is. All right, and then you can hit save. Now if I click on go back, you can see that it's there, and then you have your ability to write the text. Now that one also falls maybe under the copyright law, so again I could upload it on this one as well as the first artifact. So again, you might not have a lot of artifacts. Some of them will meet multiple standards, but that's how you do it. You just upload the file, choose it. If it's too large, it may not upload, so then we may have to just do a screenshot of it or something like that. But again, the reflection of it might be where you really tell us what you actually did and why you made that project. So that's how you upload a document to your portfolio.